shallow copy and deep copy. Let's take two lists. Let's call list 1 to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now what I'll do is I'll assign list 1 to another list, that is list 2. Now when I make changes in list 1, I'm changing this element at second index. I'm calling it new element. Now if I print these two lists, the result will be affected in both of them, because here I assign the list directly. So if I want the changes not to reflect in that particular copy, I'll use the copy keyword. Let's take this list again. I use a keyword dot copy. Let's name them lists 3 and 4. List 3 and 4. Now if I write list 3, now let's change the second index again of list 3 to new element. But now when I print these two lists, the change will only be affected to the third list, not the fourth one, because here I made a copy of that list. I did not assign it directly. Now this dot copy has a drawback. It has a small drawback. Let us take some new examples. List 5 and list 6. In list 5, let's make a nested list out of it. Let's call this 3 and 4. Now I'll add a fifth element. Now we have a nested list. Now when I make a copy of it, list 5 dot copy, let's make two different changes here. In list 5 at index 1, I'll write new direct element, and inside that nested list at 0th index, I'll write new inside element. Now I made two changes in the list 5. First, I change this index to new direct element. In inside list at 0th location, that is 3, to new inside element. Now when I print these lists, here you can see inside list is still affected, but we made a copy of that list. To tackle such kind of situation, there is one more function that we call DeepCopy. This time we'll call it list 7 and 8. For this, we'll have to import a library we call copy. I'll write import copy as C. Here I'm writing C dot DeepCopy list 7. Now let's make these changes again in list 7. Now when I print these two new lists, that is printing list 7 and 8, here you can see the new list is now not affected. How you can either directly assign the element like we did here, or how you can use copy keyword to make a copy. But in order to tackle the nested list situation, we imported copy library and we use c.deepcopy. Now the new deep copied list is not affected.